Hi guys, today I will show you how to fix the battery from this skate, electric skate, which is not working anymore. For the skate this is not any problem, to show how it works, but for all these people who want to learn how to do that, I will teach you today. My daughter was worried. She doesn't know what to do, and then she drew something to me here. Get in the video. Hi guys, the first thing I will do is take out the screws from here, you see? From this. I just check the battery if we can recuperate the batteries, because these have some water inside, some still water inside, okay? I will open them and I will try to fix it. I don't have the exactly battery to put it over here, just this one which is a very big, and this one which are quite small. It's the one which is into here is the one which is coming over here in the middle. But anyway, I will try to fix it with one of them, because there's not any space for this, there's no room for this, and well, we'll see how it works. You see what we have here? Two different batteries, different sides that the one I have here. And the thing is, I have to open this small plastic over here, because inside there it works with some still water. This plumb, and it works with some still water. Maybe one of the pipes over here are empty, and what I will try to do is just open them, fill it up with this still water, distillate water, to be honest, that's the word, distillate water, and then try to recharge it. If it's not working finally, well, this one is too big to put it over here. I will try anyway, because you never know. I would try, but if it's not working, then I will use those two here, which is maybe no, it doesn't have amperes enough for my weight, but for the children I think it will be okay, because they don't weigh a lot. Be careful with your hand. Never put it in front of a screwdriver, okay? Never, because it could be loose, and you could cut your hand. Look at here. It has 6 tubes with which is, because this battery is plumb, is doing in plumb, so it makes the electrolysis inside. So the thing you will have to do here is just take this lid out and check that there's no any water in this one. No any water, so you have to fill this with water, with distillate water until here, okay, and then try to recharge it. Sometimes it works because the pipe is not finally broken, so you sometimes can recuperate them, okay. Try to do it, and then finally you put a little bit of glue here and put it back here. If it's not working finally, as I said, I will use this one here, or I will use the big one, okay. Let's go. To recharging distillate water the battery, I will use a syringe. Please be careful, don't click your hand or break your hand, okay. It's a clean one, right? Once you use it, you can throw it away. I use this one also, even anyway, to fold these things. Remember, there have to be a distillate water, okay. It can take some time, because sometimes the battery is very empty. So take your time, and remember to fill it up until here, this line, no until the full, right? Just leave some place to breathe, and then we'll charge it. Okay guys, maybe it should be a good idea, try the volts before you put some water inside, because in this case, from both batteries, I didn't check the other one yet, but from this one at least, it has 12 volts, so I think the battery is working properly anyway. As I said, as we saw, we just put this distillate water inside. Finally I use pipette because the syringe was too difficult anyway. Never mind. I will put it on charge for 24 hours until tomorrow, or at least until this the amperimeter check that everything that the batteries have been charged. And well, I will do the same procedure with another one. Meanwhile, we're gonna put these batteries just to make it work. Okay. Sorry guys, I forgot to explain you something about the content of the batteries. Be careful, because this is sulfuric acid, which is quite dangerous. It could let you in blind. You see, it's very dangerous for your skin, for your face, for everything. So when you put the water inside, put it carefully, and well, don't play with that, okay guys, especially for young people who are not used to touch the interior of the batteries. You know that the skate stops because wasn't working properly. It was too slow. To be sure that it's nothing to be with the converter inside over here, as I'm checking the engine, I will do with those two batteries, right? So you can see that it is working properly. Here you are. It's moving. I don't know if you can see. You okay? That's good enough for your weight. That's why stop so easy. Let me explain you what we're gonna do with the batteries. We have the two small batteries, 12 volts, and the big one, which is also 12 volts. This one have 12 amperes, right? This one have 1.3 amps. Okay, we have to put them in parallel and this in series with another one to make them finally 24 volts. Okay, so what we have to do is just put this plus. Let me think. Let me check, because I did before. I don't remember exactly right now. Yes, plus with plus, make this one plus here. Negative with cables, wires, makes this one here negative. Okay, it is finally 12 volts here, 2.6 amps. Okay, this one here then have to be in series with this one to make it plus and make finally 24. So the only thing we have to do is put this wire with the negative of this set, and this one then will be the negative directly, and this is the positive directly. It will make then 24 volts, and the 12 amps plus 2.3 is then 14.6 amps. We'll try to make the skate work with this set. Okay, here you have the connections. You can check how the batteries are. This one in parallel, this one in series, so it have to be connected like that. Negative over here and positive over here. Let's connect into the skate and put it over here just to check how it works. We're going to put all these supports which make a place between the plate from the skate and the batteries, okay? Because the battery is too big, I make this place over here. So I'm using these supports from the televisions, right? To separate them. The project is finished, and this is what happened finally. The batteries don't have power enough, but I'm still waiting for the recharge of the old ones, and if it's finally if they don't work, I will buy a new one. Here you are. Oh, hello. This is the project. Thank you for watching. See you. Take care.